In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iMessage and FaceTime activation errors on your iPhone 14 or later. These activation issues can be frustrating, but with a few simple steps you can resolve them and get back to connecting with friends and family. Let's start by checking your internet connection. Having a stable connection is crucial because both iMessage and FaceTime require internet access to activate. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or cellular data, ensure your device is properly connected. If you find your connection is unstable or spotty, that could be the root of the problem. A quick restart of your router or a connection reset might be all it takes to fix the issue. Next, it's important to set the correct date and time on your iPhone. Head over to your settings, navigate to General, then tap on Date and Time. Here, make sure the Set Automatically option is turned on. An incorrect date or time can often hinder the activation process for services like iMessage and FaceTime. Now let's ensure you're signed into iCloud. Go to Settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Here you should see your Apple ID details. Ensure that you are logged into your account correctly. If you're not signed in, do so now, as this can directly impact the activation of iMessage and FaceTime. Moving on, a good practice is to toggle iMessage and FaceTime off and then back on. First, go to Settings, then Messages, and switch iMessage off. Do the same for FaceTime by going to Settings, then navigating to FaceTime and toggling it off. Wait about 30 seconds before turning both services back on. This can refresh the connection and resolve any temporary bugs or glitches. If everything is set correctly and you still experience issues, it might be time to restart your iPhone. To do this, press and hold the side button and either of the volume buttons until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn your device completely off, wait a few moments, then power it back on. Once your phone is rebooted, check if the activation was successful. Finally, if you encounter the message waiting for activation for more than 24 hours, it's time to reach out for help. Contact Apple support or your carrier. This step is especially crucial if you're using eSIM or have recently switched SIM cards, as there might be an issue with your account or network settings. With these steps complete, you should be well on your way to resolving any iMessage and FaceTime activation errors. Stay connected effortlessly and enjoy the seamless communication these services provide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.